Hello everyone, my name is Lieutenant Colonel Lenora Phillips. I'm the Chief of the Community Legal Issues Division at the Air Force Legal Operations Agency at Joint Base Andrews, Maryland. Today I'm excited to be here to talk to you a little bit about the Air Force Legal Assistance Program and how we can assist EFMP families. Alright, so here is the information I want to share with you today. As I discussed, I want to go over the Air Force Legal Assistance Program, how we can assist EFMP families, the resources available to you, and some of the contact information available to you as well. So I want to start by giving you a quick overview of the Air Force Legal Assistance Program by looking at some of the services we provide and explaining some of our limitations. Looking first to the list on the left, you will see that Air Force Legal Assistance Offices provide many services to service members, including providing wills, powers of attorneys, or advanced medical directives. In fact, this is the majority of our legal assistance practice and accounts for over 50% of the clients that we see. We also see service members for SCRA issues and USERA. If you have a divorce or a child support issue, or even you're in the middle of a custody battle, you're welcome to come into the legal offices to seek assistance on those issues. Say you've gotten yourself into a bad loan or another consumer law issue, you can come into the legal office and we're there to assist you with those issues as well. As you can see, there are multiple other services. This is not a complete list, but we are happy to help with many things such as landlord-tenant issues, even off-base or in privatized housing, or if you need to file taxes, you can come in to the VITA centers in the spring and we will help you with your taxes. So as you can see, multiple services that we provide. The boxes on the right just reflect some of the reasons why we might not be able to help you if you come in for legal assistance. And the first one I want to talk about is conflict of interest. This just means that a legal assistance attorney cannot represent two parties who may have conflicting interests, such as a husband and a wife in a divorce situation. However, it is also the reason legal assistance attorneys have to turn away clients on matters where the government has an interest. As you know, JAGs are hired to represent the Air Force and the government in most issues on a daily basis, which is why we cannot represent individuals in matters where the government also has an interest, such as a UCMJ action, or if you're trying to file a disability claim or appeal a disability determination. Those kinds of things, the government has an interest and an Air Force legal assistance attorney would not be able to assist you. Another limitation legal assistance attorneys face is their inability to represent individuals in an administrative hearing or in a court proceeding. And finally, like all things in the Air Force, limited resources, and in the case of attorneys, limited expertise in certain areas at specific bases could hinder a legal office from providing full legal assistance services. And of course, like I said, this varies from base to base. If you're in Texas, you are much more likely to find an attorney that can help you with your individual legal issue. However, if you are in a state like Minnesota, where there are very few JAGs, your resources and your ability to find a JAG that can help you with a situation is a little bit more limited. So let's turn to some more specific legal assistance issues an EFMP family may be facing and how the legal office can assist you. If you have a child about to turn 18 and they're not able to make their own health care decisions or live on their own, you may need to retain a guardianship over that child. Therefore, you would have to file a guardianship petition with the local court. If this is something you think you might need now or in the future, you can go to the local legal assistance office for guidance. As I said before, legal assistance attorneys cannot represent you in court, and they also cannot file court documents, but they will be able to advise you on your options, whether a guardianship is right for you, how to file the petition, and potentially even help you fill it out. You also can visit the local legal office to attain powers of attorney or look into getting a special needs trust. These trusts are set up so that inherited funds do not negatively impact an individual's ability to qualify for other government benefits, such as SSI and Medicaid. If you think you need a special needs trust, definitely visit the local legal office. As I said before, not every legal office is an expert in providing special needs trusts, but they do have resources they can find for you and may be able to help you nonetheless. Another reason you may want to visit the local legal office is to better understand your rights when it comes to your child's education. As I discussed previously, legal assistance attorneys cannot represent you at a school administrative hearing, But that doesn't mean they couldn't work with you and help prep you to go into a school board hearing ready to make valid and persuasive arguments on behalf of your child. Sometimes the legal assistance attorneys, although limited in their ability to represent you, are great sounding boards or sanity checks for you when you are worried about an issue, when you're trying to understand your rights, or even when preparing to make arguments on behalf of your child in any form. So I say all that as we transition over to my resource slide to emphasize that the legal assistance attorneys at the base legal offices can provide you with a variety of services. So go visit your local legal office. If they themselves cannot help you, they may be able to point you to some local resources that can, such as bar associations, law schools, and even veterans groups. You also can contact these associations and groups on your own. Additionally, legal assistance attorneys can refer active duty service members or activated reserve or guard members, E6 and below, into the American Bar Association Pro Bono Project. This is a great program, and in this program, service members get paired with civilian attorneys who have expertise making special needs trusts, filing guardianship petitions, or representing you at an administrative school board. So again, your local legal office is a great resource for you, and you can find one all over the world. If you're in need of legal assistance and are looking for a legal assistance office, you can use the website you see here. This will help you locate the closest legal assistance office to you based off of your zip code. In most cases, the base you're stationed at has a legal assistance office and they can assist you, but you actually are not limited to that legal assistance office and are able to visit any legal assistance office in any branch of service. So this website is a great resource for you to figure out what your options may be, especially if you're looking for someone who has expertise in providing special needs trusts or has the ability to help you file a guardianship petition. This concludes the information I wanted to share with you today, but I wanted to thank you for your time and attention. I hope you were able to learn something new about Air Force Legal Assistance Services, and on behalf of the Air Force Legal Assistance Program, we look forward to serving you.